share with you for this week is Evernote. On your MacBook, you can go to the App Store, which is in your applications. And once you get to the App Store, you can search Evernote. And then you can install Evernote. It's the elephant in the green square. Mine's already installed. Once you have it installed, you'll be able to go in and create a bunch of types of lists. If you're on a MacBook, you can go into a search engine and type, or on a PC, excuse me, and type Evernote for PC. It's usually the first search that comes up. And then where it says download for Mac, if you click on the arrow, you will see that for computers they have Windows Desktop or Windows 8, otherwise for a previous version of Windows. And just click on that and go through the installation process. Once you have Evernote installed, on the Mac it will install into your applications. You can go into it and you're able to set up notebooks. So you can see these are the notebooks I have in my Evernote. Here's how you would to add a new notebook. What I want to show you is how to create a digital checklist with using Evernote. So you would click on the new note, and I'm just going to write test checklist, and then you can, here's how you would add your table, and click how many rows and columns you want and hit OK. And then you could type your student into your list. And the one thing you'll have to get used to with Evernote is when you type into the rows or the columns, they tend to move around, but then once you type in another row column, it adjusts itself. You can create and add new rows and columns by going up to format on the top and click on tables and then insert row or insert column, just like you do in Microsoft Word. But then once to create your digital checklists, you would then click where you'd want it, and along your toolbar along the top there's this little box with the check mark in it. You click on that and it puts a box for you, and you're only able to create the digital checklist from the computer. You're not able to do it on an iPad, although you can download Evernote onto your iPad and you can check your checklist on the iPad. You just can't create it, and it goes faster on the computer. So then you would click in your box once they've turned in or whatever you're collecting. I use it for checking their homework folders that they get signed, and I check it if they brought the homework folder back, and I add a asterisk if they got it signed, just so I know. But that is something I've been experimenting around with. Once you create notes, you can put them in certain notebooks, but go in and experiment with it and have some fun and create digital checklists. Thanks.